Oil to telecom conglomerate Reliance Industries or RIL has announced its September quarter earnings. All the segments except for refining have done quite well, sequentially especially. Let's do a three-point analysis of the key earnings, fine print and also the outlook. 1. What are the earnings highlights in Q2? Well, Reliance Industries has reported strong earnings for the September quarter of FY21, driven by the telecom business, especially when you talk about the consolidated net profit. It has come in at 9,567 crore rupees, the revenues at 1.11 lakh crore rupees, and also the EBITDA has come in at 18,945 crore rupees, beating street estimates on all of these accounts. Especially EBITDA margin has also come in line at 17% versus 19% sequentially. In the oil and gas segment, petchem revenue has grown quite sharply by 17.7% at 29,665 crore rupees. EBIT growth of 44% and margins also have grown 16.5% on a sequential basis. Refining revenue was also up 33% at 62,154 crore rupees versus 46,642 crore rupees sequentially. Refining EBIT margin slipped at 3.2% versus 6.2% sequentially. Gross refining at $5.7 per barrel was slightly lower than the $6.3 per barrel on a sequential basis. Overall, the retail business grew quite strongly with strong operational performance sequentially, but on a year-on-year basis, things were damp for the retail business. Reliance Retail reported a 4.93% year-on-year decline in Q2 revenue at 39,199 crore rupees. The operating profit margin fell 13.77% to 2,009 crore rupees. On the other hand, when you talk about sequential performance, revenues from operations increased 29.7% to 36,566 crore rupees, and EBITDA also grew sharply by 85% on a sequential basis. 2. Reliance Jio leads the show. Well, Jio's profit for the September quarter have actually stood at 2,844 crore rupees, which is up 12.9% versus the 2520 crore rupees seen on a sequential basis. Also, the revenue has come in at 17,481 crore rupees, which is up 5.6% Q on Q versus 16,557 crore rupees seen in the last quarter. And again, it is above street estimates. Now, Jio subscribers grew by 1.8% at 405.6 million versus 398 million on a quarter-on-quarter basis. As for the key metric, ARPU during the quarter stood at 146 rupees per subscriber per month as against 140.3 rupees per subscriber per month in the trailing quarter. Now, total wireless data traffic during the quarter was also at 1442 crore GB, showing a growth of 1.5%. 3. What's the outlook going forward for Reliance Industries? Well, commenting on the earnings, RIL chairman Mukesh Ambani said, and I quote, "We delivered strong overall operational as well as financial performance compared to previous quarter with recovery in the petrochemicals and the retail segment." He also said that the sustained growth in digital service business was seen. Domestic demand has sharply recovered across the O2C business and is now nearly pre-COVID level for most products. Now, while as per the company, the Q2 operations and revenue were impacted by COVID-19, experts really believe that overall the company has reported quite robust numbers as RIL has exhibited strong sequential rebound, and the outlook going forward is quite positive, looking at the telecom, the digital segments, Jio platforms, and also the retail segment, which will be the key drivers of growth going forward.